Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Women beautiful outfit sandal style, unique, get ready to turn head a style, the stoplight with the perfect combination of beautiful outfit and sandal style for women. From chic flats to statement heels, the right pair of sandals can elevate any outfit and take your fashion game to the next level. Number 1. I love pairing my denim short and brazy blouse with strappy sandal for a laid back yet stylish look. Number 2. For a night out, I opt for a silk jumpsuit and bold embellished sandal to add a touch of glamour. Number 3. Maxi dress are my go-to and I always choose wedges to elongate my legs and add a feminine flair. Fashion influence, maxi and match texture, color and prints to create visually stunning combinations. Don't be afraid to experiment and showcase your unique season of style. Whether you're branching with friends, hitting the beach, or attending a special events, they are a perfect outfit and sandal style to suit every occasion. So embrace the versatility, the beauty and the confidence that come with pairing beautiful outfit and stylish sandal styles. Step into the world of fashion and express yourself with every setup you take. Whether you prefer understanding elegance to eye-catching designs, there are beautiful sandal style waiting to elevate your wardrobe and inspire your next fashion adventure. So embrace the diversity, the creative, and the beauty for women's sandal style and set up in the world wherever set up in the celebration of your unique style. These seasons are a seeing and a sandal as a wheel bold colors and playful prints. It's all about making a statement with your footwear. Whether you're longing by the poolside, exploring the best lighting cities, or are attending glamours, they are perfect pair of sandal to complement your ensemble. From classic and timeless to trendy and avant-garde, the world of women sandal offers a option to suit every taste and occasions. And let's not forget the versatility of sandal. Pair them with the flowing maxi dress for a bohemian chic look, or with tolly trouser for a touch of casual sophistication. From casuals outing the formal events, women's sandal offer endless possibilities for expressing your unique season of style. And let's not forget the versatility of sandal. Pair them with the flowing maxi dress for a bohemian chic look. Whether you're strolling along the sandal, dancing under the stairs, or simply running around town, the perfect pair of sandals can be your trust combinations of classy building style with comfort. But with the Tully States pair of sandal print is not just their outward appearance but the way they make you feel.